Well now, we call this the act of mating.
Hey Mary, show me that
Upgraded girl, rock.
This just in, where to begin?
Trice, no game, no gimmicks.
Well, I was doing just fine before I met you. I drink too much.